Let's talk about the word collaboration. You hear it everywhere, right? But today, we're going to rescue it from being just another buzzword. We're going to turn it into a real, powerful, actionable strategy you can use to grow your business by breaking down the four distinct types of collaboration. So, let me ask you this. Is collaboration just one of those words that gets thrown around in meetings but doesn't really mean anything? We've all been there. But what if it's actually one of the most powerful and most underutilized superpowers in business today? To really get this, we need to reframe how we think about it. And this quote just nails it. Collaboration is the process of value creation emerging from combining two or more people, places, and things. See that? The key phrase isn't just working together, it's value creation. It's about making something new, something that literally didn't exist before. That one idea right there is the foundation for everything we're about to cover. Okay, so with that new, powerful definition in our back pocket, let's dig in. What is collaboration really? Here's the most important distinction we have to make. This isn't just about your team huddling in a conference room. I mean, teamwork is great, it's essential, but what we're talking about here is different. True collaboration is a formula for external growth. It's about strategically joining forces with others to create something way bigger than what any of you could do on your own. All right, let's get practical. Where do you even start? Well, we start with your first collaborations, the low-hanging fruit. These are the two types you can get going on like today. Why? Because you're probably already doing them. You just haven't put a name to it yet. So these first two types are all about formalizing relationships that chances are you already have. You've got your best clients on one side, and on the other, you've got other businesses who are talking to the very same customers you are. We call these partner collaboration and referral collaboration. The trick is to give them a little structure to really unlock their power. So let's talk about that first one, partner collaboration. It actually starts with a really small number, just 5 to 10. Now, who in the world are these 5 to 10 people? We're talking about your top 5 to 10 clients. Think about it. These are the people who already love what you do. They're the ones giving you feedback, telling you how to make your service even better. They've been informally collaborating with you for years. The secret is to make it official. Give that relationship a name, meet with them, and intentionally turn these amazing clients into your most passionate, trusted ambassadors. Okay, next up, referral collaboration. This is built around a super powerful concept called the hero target. That's just the fancy name for the ideal customer that you and another business both serve, but with different things. You're not competitors at all. You probably already send business back and forth informally, but adding some real structure to that relationship, that's where the magic happens. So how do you make it official? It's a dead simple three-step process. First, you name it. Seriously, give the partnership a name. It makes it real. Second, you create a guarantee. This is a clear promise to your customer about the incredible value they're going to get. And finally, you build a shared landing page on each other's websites. That single step solidifies the whole thing and builds a mountain of trust with your shared audience. Okay, so we've picked the low-hanging fruit. You're formalizing the relationships you already have. Now, let's climb the tree. Let's get to the next level, where we stop just amplifying what exists and we start building something brand new together. And the secret key that unlocks these more advanced, more powerful collaborations is a simple framework. It's called the VCR formula. Let's break it down. V is for vision. This is the big what-if idea, right? It's the goal, the dream for a new product or a new service that could solve a huge problem for your customers. It's the spark. Then you've got C for capability. This is the how-to. It's the nuts and bolts, the team, the technology, the manufacturing process, whatever it takes to actually build the vision and make it real. And finally, R is for reach. This is the who-to. This is so important. It's the built-in audience, the established customer base, the distribution channel that lets you launch this amazing new thing to an eager market on day one. And this is where it all comes together in something called a joint collaboration. It's like a puzzle. One partner brings the vision, another brings the capability, and a third brings the reach. You all combine your superpowers to create something new, and then you split the rewards. It's the ultimate win-win because you can build huge things without needing to have all the resources yourself. So that's what happens when you combine different parts. But what happens when you combine two completely different worlds? I mean, what if you just smash two totally unrelated things together to see what new category you could create?
Just think about that for a second. You've got high-performance athletic sneakers, and you've got high-end, classic luxury jewelry. What could you possibly get from that?
You get this, the iconic Nike x Tiffany collaboration. This is the fourth type, a growth collaboration. It's when you combine totally unique strengths and totally different audiences to create a whole new market and generate massive buzz. This isn't about competing. This is about co-creation at the highest possible level. Okay, so you get the four types. You can see how powerful this is. The big question is, how do you actually do it? Well, let's put it all together into a simple 6-step playbook. This is your roadmap. Number 1, just identify which of the four types you're building. 2, define that shared goal for your customer, your hero target. 3, give it a name, make it real. 4, figure out who's bringing what, the vision, the capability, or the reach. 5, decide upfront how you're going to split the rewards. And number 6, declare it. Make it official and commit to that very next step. That's it. It's simple, but it is so, so powerful. And that really just leaves us with one final question for you. I want you to look at your network, your clients, your partners, even the people you might think of as competitors. After everything we've talked about, who out there could be your next great collaborator? The potential is all around you.